Welcome to Kamin Bird Hostel. Find your perfect Bangkok escape with us and book your stay through the QR code on screen or in the description below. This intimate retreat, established in 2013 and meticulously maintained, offers a sanctuary of calm within the vibrant energy of Bangkok. With a mere 7 kilometers separating us from the city center and a convenient 30-minute drive from the airport, Kamin Bird Hostel places you perfectly to explore the city's wonders. Our 4 beautifully appointed rooms are havens of modern design and comfort, offering an unparalleled level of personalized attention. Each room is a tastefully curated space designed to provide a truly inviting atmosphere. Imagine waking up in a serene setting, ready to explore the bustling city, or returning to a peaceful retreat after a day of adventure. Check-in begins at 1 p.m., allowing you to settle in and begin your exploration at your own pace. With checkout at 11 a.m., you have ample time to enjoy a leisurely morning. Please note that while we welcome all guests, we kindly request you note our accommodations policy. Immerse yourself in the tranquility and convenience of Kamin Bird Hostel. For a truly unforgettable Bangkok experience, scan the QR code now to book your stay.